Here's a quick problem on finding the volume of the vehicle assembly building. I give you that the dimensions of the vehicle assembly building are 526 feet by 518 feet by 500 feet. We can assume that the vehicle assembly building is a giant rectangular prism and just multiply these three through and we get a big number, 1.36234 times 10 to the 8 cubic feet, whatever that means. Notice, feet cubed is the same as cubic feet right there. So those are the same ideas, cubic feet or feet cubed. Let's say that we want to get this into meters cubed or cubic meters. What do? Well, we start with that number again that we figured out there, and we need to multiply it by some conversion factor. Remember, we can multiply anything in the universe that we want to by the number 1, and everything is okay. We can take any number, and we can keep multiplying it by 1 forever, and that number is not going to change. So let's multiply this by 1, but it's going to be 1 expressed very, very weirdly. Nobody ever writes 1 like this, but this is nevertheless the number 1 right there. Because 3.28 feet is equal to 1 meter. So if your numerator and denominator are equal to each other, this would reduce to 1. This really does express the number 1 there. Remember this when you're doing any kind of conversion, you can always multiply by the number 1, and that just means that you put something up here that is equal to something down there. To choose what to put where, well, you need to look at what you're trying to get rid of and what you want. If you want meters, that's probably going to have to go in the top. If you want to get rid of feet, you're probably going to have to put that in the bottom. Just organize this so that whatever you have here, you can cancel out with whatever is down there. Now, is this the end of the problem? Have we figured it out yet? No, this is not the end there. Let's look at the units of this and see what the units would be if we actually did it this way. Okay, we've got feet cubed and feet. Okay, that would reduce to feet squared up there and nothing down there, times meters. So we would have some number, feet squared meters. That would be the remaining units. Is feet squared meters something that we ever deal with ever? No, at least I don't. So I don't think feet squared meters is the best units to be expressing this in. And we need to express it in cubic meters anyway, or meters cubed, not feet squared meters. So how can we get rid of one more of those feet? Well, we can multiply by the same conversion. We're multiplying by 1 again, and it's just this is equal to that, therefore this whole thing is 1. So we can get rid of feet twice. Now we have meters squared feet, and we do it one more time, and we have gotten rid of 3 feet, or feet times feet times feet. That gets rid of that. And then we have meters times meters times meters, which is cubic meters. And we get our answer, 3.86 times 10 to the 6 meters cubed, or cubic meters.